we can record an online sale. On sidebar, we need to go to payments, and under other income, we can add a new other income. And for example, there is Etsy as a shop. Let's say we sold something on Etsy on last Friday, and for amount, say £55. Select income category. In this case, it is online sales. Payment method, we can select what payment method was used for this money to receive, for example, PayPal. And we can assign to a particular client if you have client details. If not, we can add a description, for example, Amy T, and custom made. And once you're happy, click on the green button and it will add details. For example, on Etsy, on online sales, Amy purchased 3 blue t-shirts and they were free custom made. This way how we can add an online sales on FreshBooks accounting software.